Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Tuesday 18 of July 10:47 p.m. here. So yes, price movement of price, it is moving like ukre. What kind of movement is this? I don't know. But after seeing these candle like small candle, it is retracing. Then again, good reaction. Slowly, it was bleeding, and a few 15 like hour ago, it tagged Monday low, which was our plan for long till mid range and our SR level to our this order block here. H4 FEG is tagged, but it didn't filled. So this is only cautious for me. This thing here only this is the plan which I was making from this zone. I was waiting for these lows. Finally, these lows taken out. So now, what should we do here? I will show you one more confluence with Bitcoin USDT dominance. What is USDT dominance is doing? We will check on H4. If you see this zone, it's a range high zone, and it is making lower low, lower high, lower low, again lower high, lower low, again it's all again in the lower high zone. If I check out daily chart for this, can let me remove these things. So structure is clearly shifted here, and USDT dominance also into is like bearish order block here. So we might see a dip here. These look at these daily candles. There are no strength at all. So if it goes up from, let me check, 200 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA also tested here. So acting as the resistance here. So it is also a good confluence for me on Bitcoin. So if BTC USDT dominance retraces here from this zone, Bitcoin will go up. So the best confluence which I had for Bitcoin, let me check here on daily is far away down, but on H4 I think 200 EMA is supporting me. Yes, on H4 200 EMA is also supporting me. So market structure is shifted here. Now test it, goes up, again test it, and range lows are taken out. Now I will show you my plan. One more, three more things which are important to see. This was Monday low. This was swept beautifully. Previous week low is pending here. Like it swept, but it didn't reclaim. The best thing is Monday low plus range low both tagged down. Now, what should we expect from price? Let me show you my plan now. Going back to 15-minute chart. I will explain this quickly, so I will upload it on time. So you will see you will execute if you wanna execute with me as well. There's some kind of liquidity is building up here like this. So yes, too many confluences matching out here. What I'm waiting for, internal liquidity. This liquidity swept, these equal lows swept, so it means we already got a good fuel to go up. So now the plan is I'm waiting for M15 shift first here, this shift, then in any order block, whatever order block forms here, I will long it. Like I'm waiting for this kind of structure here. Structure is making lower lows. It swept all previous lows here. So I'm waiting for this shift here. And in on order block in an FEG, I will place my bids here and I will target the higher regions. So this will be my shift here. Entry in any kind of FEG or whatever you say. Every man has its own criteria of an entry. Take entry accordingly, and stop will be below this low. So assuming this as low, my stop will be here. If it came back again down here to retest this zone and it gives structure here, shift here, that will good trade as well. It will be like a good RR trade from this zone. It will be low RR, but trade is a trade. I was waiting for this trade. So yes, this is what I'm seeing here on lower time frame on Bitcoin right now. So act accordingly. The best RR trade will be here if price came back here again, making new lower low again, and it shift here in this zone. That will be a good entry zone with tight stop loss below here or here, and easy target will be, first target will be the, like these zones will be the targets, or maybe this zone, mid zone, if you want to go for swing. This SR level, there is, when this news is pending, it's I think on Wednesday, on 19 July, tomorrow. What is building permits forecast 4.96? So it is going previous. So it is also bullish news, I think. So might we see a little consolidation here on lower time frame. I give you my bias. How we will trade this shit? It is shit. This is whole piece shitty. This shit. And I gave you my my plan here. Yes, I shorted. I shorted late, but I shorted last night from this order block here. Easy short it was to this lower low, making this was a lower low here, and price bounce back to bearish order block. I placed stop loss. A safe stop loss should be above here, but I placed a safe stop loss, and my target was this one. It is completed, got good RR. But now the actual plan, which I was waiting for weeks, I will execute it once it give me structure. If it loses here, then I will show you one more thing. If price loses this zone, it will fill at least 50% of FAG. Maybe this zone at high is 28, 28.8K, this zone. Then there is no point of longing here. Then we will wait for this zone, uh, maybe this one, this zone. So these two are the main zones then for longing. But for scalp, the idea I gave you, if price behaves like this, the second idea which I'm expecting it to come again to test these lows again once more. If it tested, then that will be a good long. Otherwise, this is a what we will call it market structure shift. It gives here, then we will long it and we will target mid range this order block again for a good 2-3 hour trades. So this is a quick snippet video from me. Yeah, this is it, what it is. Let's see how price reacts. I will give trade in my Discord and will post setups there as well. If price behaves according to my plan, I will share it. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you on the other side. Allah Hafiz.